Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy life insurance policies with State Farm easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin deploying life insurance policies with State Farm, visit the State Farm website. Navigate to the insurance section on the home page. From the drop-down menu, select Life Insurance. Explore the various life insurance options available. Choose the type of life insurance policy that fits your needs, such as term life or whole life. Click on the chosen policy type for more detailed information. Review the coverage amounts and terms offered for that policy. Once you've decided on a policy, click the Get a Quote button. Fill out the online form with your personal information. Provide necessary details such as age, health history, and lifestyle choices. After submitting your information, review your quote carefully. If you're satisfied with the quote, proceed to initiate the application process. You may have the option to apply online or schedule an appointment with an agent. If you choose to apply online, complete the application form provided. Make sure to upload any required documents as prompted. Once you've completed the application, submit it for further review. If you opted for an agent appointment, prepare your questions before the meeting. During the meeting, discuss your policy options with your agent. After finalizing your choice, finalize the paperwork as directed. Pay the initial premium to activate your policy. Once the policy is issued, keep a copy for your records. Review your policy regularly to stay updated on its terms and benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.